Hi everyone, it's Gary here from Echidna Sewing, and today I have a fun new product to show you. A product that just came across my desk from one of our suppliers just recently. It's certainly new for us, and I really like it. It's a new double-edged thread cutter. Now these are like your thread snips that you've probably all seen, and there's all sorts of varieties of these products on the market. And we already do sell some, but this new one that we've received is excellent. So I'm going to give you a little demo on how it works and why I think it's so good. They're very inexpensive and but well designed and super sharp, and that's what I like about them. So my plan is on this video to show you all the benefits and show you in actual practical sense why they're better than a lot of the little thread cutters and snips that you will often see on the market. So let's have a look at the product first. Comes packaged beautifully, obviously. It also comes with 2 spare blades. Now remember that, because that's going to be important when I show you how the blades actually change. But what's nice about it is they're a very comfortable grip and nice and light. But very, very sharp tips. So you'll see down at the bottom here, when the tips come together, they are super sharp and line up perfectly and allow you to get into trimming those threads that are very difficult to get away sometimes. But they have replaceable blades, and it even gets better than that because the blades are actually reversible as well. So not only do you have a spare set of blades, you've got a reversible blade function, which means there are actually 4 fresh cutting tips on each pair of these snips. Now, let's have a look at how you would replace the blades. The first thing you'll notice is the product itself has, it's a plastic pair of clippers, and it has no metal springs. It's actually sprung by this plastic section here, which is really quite comfortable. It's not too hard to push, and they do return beautifully. So you don't have to, you're not sort of fighting to get the scissors to open up again or the clippers to open up again. But let's have a close look at how you would change the blade. Now to do that, all you've got to do is you just simply open the scissors up and then open the blade like that. So there's a little latch just here that locks in underneath and holds the scissors or the clippers closed, and you just open them like that. You'll notice this blade has already fallen out. I'll put that back in a minute. But the blades are actually pinned, and you can see there's 2 little pins there, and if you tip them up, you'll find that it just falls out. Now, if I take that blade that was sitting in there that way and turn it up the other way, I can now just simply drop that blade in there. Now, you've got to be careful because they are very sharp. I've now turned that blade around, and now I've turned it up to the opposite tip. So I've actually basically use the reversible function on this to go to a new set of tips. Now hold that there like that, turn it around, take the blade that fell out just a few moments ago, slide that in there, drop it into place, and as you're holding the 2 blades in with your fingers, just clip the scissors back together again, and there we go, been reversed. So the blades themselves are reversible, and you've also got a spare set of blades in the pack. So they'll last you a long, long time because they're very sharp and will last. I know that we've been testing them for quite some time now. Really, really like them. But let's now take a closer look at sometimes how difficult it can be to get in and trimming some of those threads, particularly in embroidery or any sewing really, that are trapped or hard to get to, and how the benefit of having these really sharp blades. So this is just a little sample design we stitched out. In fact, I always keep my stitch outs, you know, whenever I'm testing something, because you never know when you're going to use them for some reason, which I am doing right now. And you can see here, we'll get in close and have a look, but there's a few sort of errant stitches or threads that I want to trim out. Now, simple ones like this black one just here, it's just a case of getting in under there and trimming it, of course. But it's getting into the really difficult ones where having a nice sharp set of blades is really important. And why these are good is the blades are really beveled or chamfered down to a point. So if you were to slide, let's just say I want to get rid of this little black thread here, if you were to slide the scissors under there, it's only going to pick up the thread that I want to pick up, not all the others. And it trims away really, really beautifully. So It's the sharpness of them that makes the difference. And I haven't seen a pair of thread snips that have that sharp, that really, really sharp blade point. And to have them reversible and spare blades in the one set for the price these things are is excellent. Now, the other tool that I recommend having if you're going to have some good sharp scissors like that or blades like that is always have a pair of fine tweezers. We also have these guys on our website, and they're great for getting in with a really fine tip and actually picking up threads that that otherwise might be really difficult to get. And you can see there how sharp those tips are, so you can get in and hold up any threads that are really difficult to get to and do your trim. So must-have products, particularly these. These are new. These tweezers we've had for some time, so they're the superfine tip tweezers on our website. And these thread snips are also now available on our website. Check them out. They're a really, really good price, and I can guarantee you will love them when you get them. So cheers for now.